Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is August 16th, and this is your aftermarket update. So it's good to be back trading. Let me start by saying that we had a little bit of an extended time off. We took off 6 trading days. We were back first day yesterday, and we had a really decent day yesterday. A couple of trades that got us in and actually put us on the winning side of the ledger. Today, we also got in on the winning side of the ledger. We had a really nice market maker level trade. We're going to talk about that, but this trading day was not without its challenges. In fact, I was knocked around pretty good. In fact, I was one trade, the trade that actually won and got me out of the hole today. I was one trade away from just stopping for the day, and that's the trade that actually turns out to be the trade of the day. We'll talk about that in just a few minutes. But specifically, it was a choppy day. As you can see from the chart here, you can see that these are 15-minute bars, and you can see this is the bar that right at the open. You can see that we came right down into, these are your market maker levels, 45, 43 was the market maker level here. We got down to 45. It came right down into that market maker level and then rallied all the way up to 46.13. And so you can see in the interim here, and again, these are 15-minute bars, so that's 15, 30, 45, 1 hour 15, 1 hour 30. You can see that while we did make this coast-to-coast daily structure signal up to daily structure signal, and we teach you how to use these levels like this, we did get in the interim in between that, you could see long wicks, small green bodies, big red body. So again, one of the things that we called for on the trade plan today was that the market was going to be choppy and bouncy. In fact, if you take a look here, we'll just pull up today's trade plan really quickly. Let's see if we can't get this pulled up here. Give me just a second. Okay. So one of the things, session bias, this is today's trade plan. Session bias, we called for choppy sideways. Market can present difficult trading conditions and opportunity exists on both sides of the market. All right. So again, market is neutral with a slightly positive bias, and again, risk management should be aggressive. So we were taking small stops in here, but we did take a few small stops as we were in and out of some of these positions today. And so again, market comes down into the daily structure signal, comes up to the daily structure signal, and we really just could not quite get our bearings. We were long up to this daily structure signal from around 98, but it came back and took us out at break even, and then the market just kind of rotated around. It's not until right about here, once we realized that the market had gone from structure signal to your mid, to your daily structure signal, and not able to get deeper. What you're looking for is a push down and a close below this daily structure signal for a reach out to that daily structure target. What we also began to notice here is that the daily structure mid, which was at 78, began this process of not really being able to close a 15-minute bar below 45.76. It's in this area that we took our final long position for the day, and it was on this 15-minute bar here, and that's where the video picks up. It's ends up being about 114 tick trade of the day that did get us out of the hole and into a nice positive on the day. What you were reaching out for is this daily structure target. So the way these market maker levels work is they form up based on price action in the overnight session. They give you these dynamic support and resistance levels. And so as the market began this process of coming down into the daily structure signal, we couldn't get above it up here. The market comes down to the daily structure mid and begins to rotate in this zone here between the structure signal and the mid, never closing a bar below 76. We actually talk about that in the trading room today. We talked about the fact that it never really could get a definitive close below this structure mid. Once we got this push down into this 60 zone right to the ETH session open price, we look to get long here at 78, and then the market begins a really nice rally. In fact, it was up in this area here on this 15-minute bar where it comes up to 46 on the high and then slides back down. I think it takes me out at like 33 or 34. It ends up being a 114 tick trade. We were trying to hold on for the final target, which you'll hear me talk about in this video here, which was the daily structure target at 46.48. That's what we were trying to hold on for it, and it just kind of shakes me out before it goes that final. In fact, it gets all the way up to 46.46 before it takes me out at like 46.34. Ultimately, reaches out, as you can see here, and takes out the daily structure target. So again, it was a bit of a challenge early in the session today, but again, sticking with the plan, sticking with your market maker levels. Your market maker levels really led the way today and gave you a really nice opportunity. In fact, from this 45.78 level up to 46.48 is 70 ticks. We had two lots. We actually wrote it up to 34. So it was 14 ticks, 56 ticks on a two lot, 57 ticks on a two lot, 114 tick trade of the day here. So again, this trade got me out of the problems that I had. I had a few problems on the ES today as well, but I would have been able to dig out of the challenges over there as our market maker levels gave us a couple of really nice opportunities later in the session today, and they mostly revolved around your revision signals. I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about those since we didn't trade off of that. We were in the middle of this middle of this CL trade today that really took the majority of my time. The trade of the day video that you'll see coming up here does last about 45 minutes, and we were pretty involved in that trade, which detracted some of my attention away from the opportunities that we could have had to get right on the ES. All in all, though, it was another positive day here. Like I said, we were about 7 going back into the end of July. We've had 8 trading days, including the time that we spent on vacation, and we are positive on 7 of those. So we'll be putting out some more information later in the week here about how we're doing this week and over the course of that period of time. But suffice it to say, it's been a nice run here. And today, notwithstanding the challenges that we had here today, it ended up being a decent day as well. So again, I'm going to let you watch this OTG trade of the day. It does last about 45 minutes. It is that CL trade going from market maker level, mid, daily structure mid, up to the daily structure target. So without further ado, here is the OTG trade of the day. 79, 78, I'm in. Okay, the swing on this made it down to 61. Okay, we get back up to 84 and can't get through it. I'm going to break even. The stop here, $68. There's 81. You've got to get through that 82 and then 83, 84. There's 81, 82 again. We got to get north of 84, really 85, 86 here. Bottom of the range, long wick down. We still have not closed the 15-minute bar below 76. There's 81, 82. Need this thing to rally through 86, 87. It's interesting, though. You have not closed a 15-minute bar. You have a lot of attempts, or 3 attempts down through, but nothing below 76 on a close yet on a 15-minute bar. So, again, just more indication of the choppy nature of it today. Okay, take the long on the ES off the chart. Got to get up through 83, 84. Patience here. Let's get up through it. $81, $80. There we go. There we go. Get up through that 87, 88 now. Don't stall out up there. Rally through it. We got to get up through 92 here. And then we're targeting 45 still if we can break through 90s, up through that 98. Stop and break even. There's 88, 89. Come on, rally through 90, 89, 90. There we go. 92, 93, rally. 45 is the target. We'll start protecting here in just a minute. Come on, climb the ladder. 45 is your target. 45 is the target. $94. Come on, $95, $96. We've gotten stalled at $97 a couple of times. Come on, keep going here. 92 is the previous session high. Providing support and resistance. Support on the way down, now resistance on the way up through it here. So, again, the high of the previous 5-minute bar was 95. Stop is at break even. Just looking to see if we can't test 46 again. I don't think we're going to be in an 87 tick range here for the entirety of the day. The low here since the open is 61. And the high is 14. 39 and 14 is 53 ticks since the open. Very consolidated, choppy range. Let's see if we can catch this 78 at the right point. That's the structure mid. See if we can go test the structure signal again at 13. So the market comes up into the structure signal, cannot make it to the structure signal underneath, and cannot close on this 15-minute bar below the structure mid. That's a good sign that we could then continue on up all the way up to the structure target at 48. There's 96, 97. We've got a triple top now on your 5-minute around 97. We had 17 hit the offer up there at 97. Bring the trail stop up to 83 for now. So we hit 97. We've got to just take off through up to 46. The 46 handle. Lots of liquidity underneath you providing support. Quite a bit above you providing resistance. Just need that rally. Get that rally up through it. New 15-minute bar coming out. 500 limit order short now at 90. Holy crap. 500 limit order short at 90. Bring this trail stop to 79. I want to see if we can attack those 90. There we go. We're trying to hit through it. We filled 100 of them. You still have limit orders short at 90. That's not good. But you have quite a bit underneath you as well. Well, we're going to battle it out right here. New bar, 15-minute candle out right now. Let's see if that gives us something energy-wise. 79 is the trail stop. Can't believe we hit 97 and couldn't keep going. I should probably believe it. That's been the stymieing point most of the day today. It was really so fast on that move up there. It was hard to try to react, right? It was hard to react. There's 88. We've got to try and get through those orders there at 90. Hopefully, those are spoofing orders and they'll melt away. We'll see. 88, 89. They are trying to back out just a little bit. There's not. There we go. Good, good, good. That's a great sign. We just plowed right through them. They weren't there. That's a sign of weakness for the sellers to put all of those up there and then to back that away like that. That's a sign of weakness. So we'll see. 92 continues to be the area of interest, of course. It is the previous session high. Stop at 79. We're trying to hold for this target. At least try to test up there to 97, 98 again. $14 minutes to the bottom of the hour. Top of the hour, rather. Come on. Just a crappy range today. Just not got much going on with it. Still just no real conviction one way or the other. These are tough days. See if we can move back up through 90. The orders that were there once at 90, they were significant, but they didn't get filled. They got pulled off really quickly. So you do have a little bit more volume here at 90 again. But not like it was, not the 510 that were short there at one point. We just chewed right through those, and that was a good sign. So there's 89 again. You've got 100 short at 90, and then another 150 between 91 and 92. Conversely, on the other side, you've got a nice line of longs trying to follow the price action up. Point of control at 90. $105 short at 90. That's a far cry from the 500 that were up there. All right, come on, 91, 92. You've got some shorts at 92. Another big band at 98. There's your 91, trying to get to 92. Then now 93, 94. Rally up through this price. Still making higher lows on this 15-minute chart. You're still making higher lows. Right? You still have low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Really, even here, you maintain the structure. On the low of today, still didn't make it down. And again, so structurally, since the 11th, which is Thursday of last week, you have a series of higher lows and higher highs. So structurally, it's still telling you that long is probably the right idea, at least in the near term here. But it is jagged and choppy and difficult. And so now a move through 98 is what's needed here. Okay, 93. Come on, 95, 96, rally. Got to get up through that triple top at 97. Triple top on the 5-minute. You've got 125 short at 98. I'd like to go test 98. Break that triple top. If we get up through that triple top at 97, we may be cooking with gas at this point. We'll see. Been as high as 96 on this recent run up. 123 short at 98. $116 short at 98. There's your touch at 97. Now that's a quad top. There's 98, 99. Good to go. Good. Get through it here. 78, trail stop 83. We hit 99. You have 112 short at 99. We need to get up through this area. We do not want a big move down now. We need this to continue that climb. Still looking at 45 as a target. Still looking at 45 as your target up above. There's your 98. You've got liquidity at 99 and 00. You break through that. You've got to get through the structure signal at 10, or 13 rather. There's 99, 00. Fight your way through. There we go. Okay, bring this trail stop up to 88 for now. Still not convinced that it's gonna... that it doesn't have one more little kind of tease you to push you down a little bit here. Oh, thanks, Darren. So we hit 01, right? Bring this trail stop back to 83. Bring this trail stop back to 83 for now. Oh, that's okay. I was wondering why you were yelling at us. Making his point emphatically. All right, so you got 110 short at 00. Still looking at that 45 as a target up above. Telling you, it can happen, especially given the way that this price action is rotated around. We need to break up through 13. The high is 21. 101 short at 04. Lift it up here. There's 01. Let's go. You've got 5.5 minutes till the top of the hour. We need a break now through 01. You've got a double top on the 1 minute at 01. ES is trying to pull back here. Come on, 99, 00. Let's get up through 0001. There we go. 4. Get through those orders at 04. Bring this trail stop to 88. You've got a stack of liquidity at 04, 08, and 10. You've got to fight through. There's 03. 45 is your target. 192 long at 00. We need that to stick. 93 on the trail stop. 15 ticks to 93 for now. Actually, bring that back to 88. So we hit the 04 level. So we get up through 8 to 10. We'll go back. We'll go up to 93 on the stop. If we get to 8 and 10, somewhere in that zone. So again, just having a hell of a time getting up through this area here. So if you look at this 15-minute chart, you've yet to have a bar close above 99 since the open. So no bars above 76, no bars above 99, right? So this is a body, it's just wicks for days in here, right? It's just wicks and shadows all over the place here. So you've got 4 minutes left here on this 15-minute bar, top of the hour here. $83 is the trail stop. I'm going to try to stay through to the top of the hour. And we just hit the top of the range and just right back on down again. But I want to see what the top of the hour brings for us here. See if we can get that energy into the top of the hour here. Looking to hold on for the target. And is the target a bit aggressive? Maybe, but I believe we're going to get there. So again, a close above 90. So you need to close above 0.0 or higher on a 15-minute bar to kind of break this pattern that we've had since the open. There's 99. Let's go 0.0. Now 0.0. Come on, get up through. You've got some orders. Yeah, it's a heck of a time getting up through 0.0 here. So, yeah, crap. Huh. I still think we're going to be okay. But you do need to close at 0.0 or higher. $106 short at 97. 111 short at 99. Still big line of liquidity at 96. Top of the hour in 1 minute. I don't think we're going to close above 0.0. I don't think we will, which is too bad. If we do, it's going to have to hurry here in the last 1 minute. You'd like to fill this at least, yeah, that's the 3/4 dot here on your price action. Your 3/4 dot is the 99 level. So again, 99, 0.0 or higher would be great. There's liquidity there at 99, trying to fight through it, up through it there. There's 98. We got to get through. There's 133 short at 99. 25 seconds till the top of the hour and getting into the European session close. Rally through 98, now 99. Dang it. I'd like to at least close at 99, and 0.0 would be better. Even if it's a tick above that bar. 3, 2, 1. Here's the top of the hour. All right, 100 short at 99 right here. New 15-minute bar out. Just killing us here at this 98 level. In terms of holding it down, price action down. Stop 86. $110 short at 99. I'm telling you, as long as we are lingering up here, we've got a shot to make it up over 46 and then go. $97, $98, $99. This is it. This is the area. So 98, you have orders blocking the path up. Come on, rally through 97. 102 hit the bid at 90, or the offer at 96. 131 on the bid down here at 95. So you've got it's just battling it out right here. Point of control 46.00. You've got 30 minutes till the European session close here. Bring this trail stop here to 83. Come on, get 97, 98 again. Yeah, dang it. Down to previous session high again. Son of a biscuit. This is just unbelievably difficult price action at the moment. Just coming back and forth to 92, 93, up and down. We've been to 98. We got up as high as 04. It's just a challenging area. 92 previous session high is continuing to hold both directions, right? It's resistance on the way up, and thankfully it's acting as support on the way down. But you've got these shorts trying to follow the price down here right now. So again, now you've got liquidity at 95. Let's hit into that 95. There we go, 96, 97. Come on. Rally through 97. Now you've got shorts at 99. There's 98. Get through it. Jeez Louise. Stop me if you've heard this. 98 beginning to provide some resistance. 99. Fight your way, chew through those orders at 99. Get through it. Okay, 00. Now let's go fight through that high up there at 04. That recent swing high of 04. Resistance at 00. Shocking, right? Stuck here at 98. We got to get to 99, then 00. Point of control at 00. There's 99. A quick stab into 99. We've got to get up through 46.10. There's 00. No takers. There's a 1. Good. All right, so we've got to climb through 4 here. There's 2. Let's go 3, 4, 5. Big line of liquidity at 04. There's 3. Give me that energetic push up through it. 88 on the trail stop for now. 45 is your target. 3. Come on, get to 4. Now 5. There's a double take. There we go. We got to get up through 10. Bring the trail stop to 93. Need to get through 10. And then 13. 13 is where the daily structure signal is. Oh, come on. Stay above 0, 0. We've a lot of hard-fought ground up here through 0, 0. We need to stay above it. So liquidity at 8, 9, and then 10 up above. Your stop here is at 88. Trail stop at 88. $110 short at 46.10. That's the next mile marker to get through. And then, of course, we need to break that swing high of 14. And then, of course, we need to get through the day's high, which is 21. New 15-minute bar in 7 minutes. So the higher the better on the close, but I definitely want to close above 0, 0. So sadly, you've got quite a few shorts up above you up here. 115 to be precise here at 05, another 105 at 08, and then 117 at 10. So lots of volume up here trying to keep the lid on it. We'll see if those are real or not. 158, 166 at 05 short. Let's go test into those. $123 short at 05. Yeah, volume at 8, 9, and 10. So 5, 8, 9, 10. We break all that. Good stuff. Good stuff on the way. There's a touch into 4. Let's see if we could touch through 5. 4. Come on, let's test 5. There's 5. Get through it. There we go. 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. Rally through it. Stop here at 93. There's 6, 7. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can rally up through it here. Plenty of volume above you here, trying to keep the lid on it, but I believe we're on our way here. $13 ticks, 15 ticks from the high. Come on, get up through 7. Swung up to 7, run into resistance. Now you got liquidity down at 5 again. Really, don't be difficult. Just get through it. Double top on the 3-minute at 7. Still have liquidity at 8, 9, 10. That's why 7 is not able to get through it. Ain't done yet, though. There we go, 10. All right, we hit 10. Let's go 14. You've got liquidity at 15. 98 on the trail stop. There's 13. 45 is the target. You've got the recent swing at 14 up there. There's 14 again. Get through 15, 16. There we go. Bring the trail stop to 03. 45 is the target. 18, 19. Break that high. 130 protecting the high up here. There we go. 24. Bring the trail stop to 08. 30 ticks to protect 08. 24 on the high there. 45 is your target. 13 on the trail stop now. There's a new high at 25. You've got liquidity up here at 26, 27. 45 is your target. Trail stop now at 18. 40 ticks to 18. There's 28 we hit. Bring that trail stop down to 13. I don't want to give too much back, but I want to give it a chance to do what it's got to do. So you've got liquidity here at 26, 30, blah, blah, blah. Lots of volume up here above us. The daily R1, today's R1 resistance. First line of resistance is at 30. And we hit 28. Stop here is 13. So we're in this kind of intermediate zone here where I don't want to give too much back, but I still want to give it space. So let's see what we do up at 30. Trail stop here now, 18. There's 28 again. Come on, get through 29, 30. Rally through it. Target is 45. There's 28. Get through the high. Come on. There's 33. Bring the trail stop now to 23. There's 33, 34. Lots of volume up here. So we hit 33. 45 is the target. Stop right now is 20. Stop is 23. 45 is your target. Volume up there at 34, 35. There's 33. Come on, get through 34, 35. Fight your way through it. All right, Rick, we'll see you tomorrow. We hit 34. 9, 10 ticks, 9, 10, 11 ticks away from the target. Stop here is 24. There's 34. Let's go 35. Get up through. Just pop up through 34, 35. No, don't slide down the hill. Stop here is 22. Minute 10 left on this 15-minute bar. Targeting 45. Or you could actually move that to 48 on the target. That's where the daily structure target is. That would be 70 ticks. We'll see if we can get through 29.30. Back up through the high at 34. Targeting 48. And then we'll tighten that up. If we get to 45, we'll be tightening it up quite a bit. 169 long at 27. Come on, climb the ladder here. Finish the move here. Finish the move to the top side. Running a little bit out of steam, just a little bit. That R1 is at 30. We do need to get through 30 now. Come on, 30, 31. Let's go. 32. There's 33. New 15-minute bar. Let's go. Get through the high at 34. Come on, 35. Come on, get through 36, 37. Bring the trail stop to 28. There's 37. Lots of volume here at 36, 37. Trail stop 38. 111 at 27. Trail stop's 26. Daily structure target. Go from mid to target up there at 48. That's what you're looking to try to do here. That would be a 70 tick move on a 2-lot. We'll see if we can get there. 35, 36, 37. Get through 38, 39. Bring it up to 28 on the stop. There's 37, 38, 39. There's 40. Bring it to 33 on the stop. Come on. Get up through 40, 41. Let's go. Climb through. Don't stop now. Let's go. 33. There's 42, 43. Bring it to 36 on the stop. Bring it to 34 on the trail stop. There's 42. Come on, 43, 44. Let's get through it. There's 42 again. Let's go. Get up through that high at 42. Don't slide down the hill. 33 is the stop. $38, $39, $40. Let's go. Run through it. $40, $41. Come on. Get on up through $42, $43. If we get to 45, I'll bring the stop to 38. If we get to 45 and can't get through it. Come on, stay in this thing. 33 is the stop. There's 40. Go through. Okay. Come on, 40, 41. Let's go test the high. Keep pushing the high here. 33 is the stop. There's 39. We got to get through that 40. 37. You've got some liquidity here at 38. Trying to keep the lid on it now. We just got through it. That's good. Getting through it anyway. Not there it is. 39. Come on. 40, 41. Let's go. 42. Come on. Drive through 43. Come on. 44, 45. That's a weak high at 43. Stop still here at 33. 48 is the target. 70 ticks. That's where your daily structure target is, up there at 48. 34 is the stop. The 1.27 is at 35. Range extension, that is 1.27% range extension. 41. Let's go 42. Get through 43, 44. If we get to 45 and can't get through it, come on, rally up through here. There's 41, 42. Come on, don't stall. I think you got it in you to finish to our target. Let's see if we got it. 41. 40, 41. It may take until the close, which I may not be in to see the rest of this. We'll see. 122 short at 45. Battling it out. There's 40, 41, 42. Get through the high at 42, 43. Come on. 45. You've got liquidity at 45. Dang it. Did we hit the high again? We did. We hit 40 on the high. Finish it here. 40, 41. Still in it. Trying to stay in it. 33 is the trail stop. $10 minutes till the European session close. It'll probably be into that. If I can stay in this, it'll probably take that energy that comes around that last 5 minutes for us to finish it up here. If I'm still in it here. There's 42. Come on, drive through the high. There's 43. Come on, make a new high. 44, 45, 46, stop at 38. We got to 46. Stop is at 38. That got close enough, and I didn't give me really much time to move it. There's 39. 40. We'll see. Yeah, bring this down to 34 on the stop. 34. You got lots of volume underneath you here. That might have been it. Come on, baby. Get on. Give me one more push up through it. One more push up through it here. There's 38, 39. Volume trying to follow it up, 40, 41. So we'll see. Structure target at 48. That's what we're looking to hit to. Thanks, Emily. 115 long at 36. 34 is the stop. Be a bummer if it doesn't give me that. I should have taken it out probably. You got 118 at 34. 33 is your stop. 33 is the stop. I'm trying to hang on here for another 9 minutes. And if it takes me out, so be it. It's a good trade. It puts everything right with the world today after a tough start. I was talking about 45 being the target and shorting 45. I should have probably stuck with the original idea. But we'll see. And 46 is pretty close to 48. So they say. All right, there's 35, 34, and I am going to be taken out here pretty quick. Right there. That's all right. That breaks, puts me at nice and positive today. All right, so again, you could see that we were holding on for that target at 46.48. It did end up shaking us out, and then right before, just a few minutes later, it goes all the way up to the target. So again, there's no way to know that it's actually going to get to that final number, although we felt pretty strongly about it. We talked about feeling strongly about it, but at the end of the day, you have to balance that risk with the reward of trying to get those 2 additional ticks. And, I probably gave back a little bit more than I wanted to going there, but I just felt like we were going to get there, and ultimately we did get there. In fact, we got there. Plus, I think the high, let's take a look here. The high of the day in the New York session was 46.73. So again, it did hit the target with some despair, but there's a balancing act between managing the position and not giving too much back, and that's kind of what we got into. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group, and until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.